I am Karthikeyan Sivakumar. I am doing this presentation for my module of innovative problem solving, and my assessment name is Electronic Waste Management. Let's move to the introduction. The usage of electronic gadgets soared in all the fields, right from agriculture to information technology. The electronic devices are used more and more in all operations. Electronic waste is threatening the whole world with its damaging properties. Today, the entire world is facing many problems in electronic waste management. Many computers, mobiles, and other electronic appliances are manufactured easily in factories using robots. Machine-made products are 100% accurate and also safe. The changes in electronics and electrical goods management are high. Like the other waste, electronic waste management and recycling are not easy. There are no strict rules and regulations to maintain and monitor the electronic waste in present situation. First, we have to identify the problem. You know that the primary cause of e-waste is our household electronic appliances. Like the outdated electrical and electronic equipments are named as e-waste. Nowadays, many companies launches a new model and update their version every year. And mobile phone users use these upcoming versions often when they need them. The number of old model phones, chargers, and other accessories occupies a lot of garbage. The awareness to dispose of it or guidance to recycle the electronics is very poor among the public. The second significant cause of electrical waste accumulation is IT. Companies that use very high technology and in process of upgrading, they move to new devices. Many diseases like cancer affect the person when they are exposed to improperly decomposed electronic waste particles. Most electronic devices came with dangerous chemicals. Those chemicals like lithium, lead, and chlorine are thrown into the soil would cause serious problems to land. The chemicals in electronic devices affect the health of animals and birds. E-waste can damage water resources and land resources also. The reason for electronic waste accumulation in many countries is due to poor infrastructure and other economic conditions. According to the Basic Action Network, is called BAN. Many development countries send their e-waste to developing countries. Many more studies conducted across the world, it's clearly showed that manpower employed in recycling sites was affected by many of the diseases. After find out the problem, we have to move to the innovative solution. In a global context, e-waste is a big problem. There are millions of metric tons of electronic waste added to the land. Every year the number is increasing largely. IT companies and other institutions that use technologies must recycle the hardware and use it again. During the process of recycling, the data of the company needs to be deleted. Sometimes the data may be misused by the people. IT equipment needs to be properly maintained. Some companies assure erasing of data and it ensures data privacy. Recycling campaign is being conducted by various multinational corporations to tell the world about the importance of recycling electronic waste. To ensure a safe environment free from e-waste, research projects must be carried out to find out the safe method to carry out electronic waste management. More fund allocation for e-waste can motivate environment analysts to find out better technical ways to find solution for this e-waste threat. After recycling, these electronic devices can be converted into different other products. Raw materials that are used in 3D printing are made from electronic waste. the public must be educated to use the recycling centers. Product tracking and product code are the two important things that help us to find the life cycle of each product and its expire date. The panel must be set up to ensure the number of electronic products manufactured and their delivery to different places, and the way it's recycled must be noticed carefully. An electronic waste management team must be formed, trained and statistics about the goods purchased and recycled must be transparently maintained in the team. Let's move on to the user needs. People must take care not to fill the land resources with their expired e-waste. Electronic waste that are thrown recklessly into the land make it unfertile because it never allows the sunlight or water to pass through it. The user must take care not to pollute the environment with electric waste that would adversely affect the land. Small children and teenagers must be taught about the dangerous effects of electronic waste. At last, let's move to the conclusion and call of action. Obviously, people couldn't live without electronic appliances. Life without technology is not possible in the modern era. E-waste that is thrown into the land causes a serious problem for all the lives on this earth. The technology is handled carefully till it is durable. Once it is outdated or broken, it is thrown into the environment without knowing its consequence. Companies that produce electronic devices are not working on their recycling procedure. We can use scientific methods to handle the e-waste instead of using workers to handle the e-waste manually. The importance of this process of recycling must be educated to public more easily and simply. That's all guys. My presentation came to the end and I want to thank to my tutor for giving me the opportunity to do this presentation. Thank you.